What's going on, guys? It's Professor Kelly here, and I'm presenting Mr. Deason's project, our lunar base model. And this is a spacecraft that we will take to get from the Earth to the Moon. As you can see behind me is the rail, and that's the galaxy. What's going on, guys? It's Professor Kelly here with Professor Lopez, and we will be presenting Mr. Deason's project, our lunar base model. Right now, we're currently in our spacecraft. This is our beds, some chests to bring our personal items with us to the moon. And to the left, you'll see our masterpiece, the actual dome itself. And we gotta take you guys on the tour. Come on, Professor Lopez. Right now we're on our way to the mine where our workers, our miners, mine the minerals below the surface, as you can see here. What's up, Johnny? What's up, Martin? Alright, that's that. And now I'll be taking you guys to the dome. To the right, we have our purifying room and our filtration room where we gather the water or the ice and we melt it to make it drinkable, and where we melt and purify it to make it drinkable. And here we have our restrooms for the men and women. I'll take you in the men's restroom. It's pretty simple. You urinate or have a bowel movement in where the water is, and the water will then go down to our sewage system, as you'll see later. Could you please demonstrate, Mr. Lopez? Thank you. To our far left, we have our food is held. We have people selling the food, as you can see. What's up, Francisco? What's up, Clay? See the food behind them, or the food store, I'm sorry. And across the hall, oh my God, I'm sorry. Oh my God, I'm sorry. We have more room for our food. This is our lake where our main source of water comes from. We have a pyramid structure around it to keep it warm, because if there was nothing surrounding it, it would freeze, and we wouldn't want that when it's in our control. And the final thing on the lower floor, or first floor, is our plants. As you can see, we have fluorescent lights, and we have a chest full of seeds. Once we use the plants, we have more seeds for when we run out of plants. And we have mushrooms, which we use for poop as our fertilizer. And excuse me, if you can see it, there's at the end here where my cross is, it's where our poop is stored and separated from the sewage system, and we use it as fertilizer, as I said earlier. Now we can go to the top floor where the housing is. As you can see, we have beds lined across the walls. We also have some entertainment. We have a small roller coaster for the children. See Brother Lopez on the stage. If you want to do a play or music, stand-up comedy, whatever, here's your platform for it. Brother Lopez, could you sing a note for us? Okay. And here we have our pool table and some lounging tables for anyone who's not participating in the activities, but maybe just wants to watch or converse with others. Now we'll go downstairs and I'll give you, well, first, let me give you a look at our solar panels. These are our primary source of energy. We have 4 pairs, or 2 pairs on each side. That was the first, and on the other side, there's more. Like I said, 2 pairs on each side, so 4 over here and 4 on the other side. Now, you've seen all these sources of water, and I bet you're wondering where they come from. Well, I've showed you the main source of water where they all end up at, but I haven't showed you how they get there, which I will right now. These are some of our lakes, which are, as I said, frozen, and we take them to our purifiers where they're melted and then purified to drink. So this is the backside of our bathroom, and the water comes through, and you see this moon rock. It's over the water to keep it from being exposed and freezing. And it goes all the way here. It's like I said, this is where our poop is stored for fertilization. This is where it's separated, and we gather it and use it for fertilization. As you can see, all of our water is connected and ends up at the main source, which is the lake. If you follow me. Some more lakes that are frozen. The solar panels. And last but not least, if you're wondering how will our citizens stay warm and cleansed, we have a shower. And when you like to take a shower, let Lopez get you get in the tub. Just click this lever. And there you go, some clean water. And once you're finished, click the lever again, and it'll drain the water. And that concludes Mr. Deason's Linear Based Project. Thank you.